We have more breaking news. A federal judge has just issued a protective order over some evidence in the pending trial that involves former President Donald Trump. Now, the case stems from his alleged actions after the 2020 presidential election. The special counsel in the case raised concerns that Mr. Trump might release information that could jeopardize jury selection. Attorneys for Mr. Trump, however, argued the order would restrict the former president's right to free speech. The judge said that right is, quote, not absolute. Trump faces 4 felonies related to the case. He has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges. And that man right there, Tom Winter, is on the story for us, investigative correspondent for NBC. So, Tom, the protective order just released. What are the terms now?
Right, Tom, and I'm going to read it right off to you. Basically, all personal identifying information. So somebody's social security number's in there, a personal telephone number, date of birth, that's all going to have to be redacted. What's called Rule 6 materials, that's basically anything that's been before a grand jury, including witness testimony before a grand jury, exhibits, any sort of subpoenas. They're going to make sensitive materials obtained through sealed search warrants. So if they've searched a location and that search warrant is still under seal, that's material that they can't release publicly or talk about publicly. Sealed orders by the government's filter team, that's information that they were able to get, or the fact that they were searching attorneys' information. So for former President Trump's legal attorneys, they would have a filter team overseeing that to make sure that information tied to their other clients wasn't divulged, or any sort of privileged attorney-client communications. Recordings, transcripts, interview reports, and related exhibits of witness interviews, so basically anything that witnesses said to them, and then materials obtained from other non-governmental entities. I believe, Tom, there's a couple of documents that may be relevant to this case that came from the Office of the Director of National Intelligence, perhaps some other intelligence community members, and those are protected as well, and that's very standard. So yes, it's much more narrow, perhaps, than what prosecutors were asking for, but it's still pretty wide and covers an awful lot with respect to what the former president and his legal team can release publicly. It's going to restrict them.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.